landscaping around trees is both an art and a science, merging aesthetics with botany and ecology to create spaces that not only enhance property value, but also improve soil health and promote biodiversity. This video guide will provide you with everything that you need to know to successfully navigate this process without harming your beautiful established trees. One of the most important aspects of landscaping around and under trees is the preservation of their health. Trees, like any other organism, require certain conditions to thrive. Disruption to their environment, such as the introduction of new plants or changes to the soil, can potentially harm them. That's why it's crucial to understand the specific needs and care requirements of the particular tree that you're hoping to landscape under or around. Understanding the tree's root system is a big part of this. Your tree's roots may extend far beyond the canopy, contrary to popular opinion. The tree's roots are critical for its survival, providing stability, nutrients, and water. Any landscaping work must take into account the extent of these roots to avoid causing damage. It's also important to understand that different trees can have different tolerances and requirements compared to one another. Some trees are more resilient and able to tolerate changes to the environment, while others are more sensitive. Knowing the particular species of your tree will help guide your plant selection and your landscaping techniques. Before starting any landscaping project, preparation is key. This involves assessing the tree's health, choosing suitable plants, and ensuring the perfect soil environment. Before you even begin, you need to make sure that your plant's healthy. This is because a weak or diseased tree may not withstand the changes to the environment that you're about to incur. Signs of a healthy tree include vibrant leaf color, firm and undamaged bark, plenty of foliage, unless of course it's a deciduous tree in winter, and no signs of pests or diseases. If your tree is showing signs of poor health, it may be best to consult with an arborist before proceeding. Promoting the perfect soil environment is critical for the successful establishment of new plants under and around your tree. This involves testing the soil pH to ensure that it falls within the optimal range for your chosen plants. Depending on your soil structure, it may need improving as well. Heavy and compacted clays may require gypsum and compost to break them apart and improve drainage. Meanwhile, loose sandy soils may benefit from compost and a quality hydrogel like terracotta. This will help keep moisture in the soil and prevent hydrophobicity, which is when water can't penetrate the top layer of soil, a condition that sand-dominant soils often suffer from. However, it's important to do this carefully without disrupting the tree's root system. Choosing the right plants to accompany your tree involves considering the right soil type, shade, and root competition under these trees. Not all plants can thrive in these conditions. Another consideration is the plant's genetic destiny. How big will your plant become once it matures? The following plants all have a predetermined height that they'll grow to, so you don't need to worry about the plants you're planting under your tree rubbing branches with your tree. Tunica lomandra lomifolia. This is a hardy plant that grows in a variety of soil types, making it a versatile option. Little Jess Dianella caerulea, a compact plant with blue-purple flowers that thrives in shady areas, making it a perfect option for planting under trees. Blush Nandina domestica. This dwarf Nandina is a compact, low-growing plant that adds year-round interest with its changing foliage colours. It's tolerant of a wide range of conditions, including shade, and is 20% smaller than Nandina domestica nata, making it suitable for planting under trees. Isabella liriope muscari, an excellent ground cover plant. Isabella liriope has compact dark green leaves and produces pink flower spikes. It's able to tolerate from full sun to 90% shade and is an ideal choice for adding texture and interest to the area under trees. It only grows to 40 centimeters in full flower, so it's perfect under even the smallest of trees. Gold velvet anigerzanthos. Although this kangaroo paw prefers full sun, it can tolerate partial shade, making it a potential choice for areas under trees that receive some sunlight. Its unique gold velvet flowers can add an interesting visual element to your landscape. Mulching around trees offers numerous benefits, including conserving soil moisture, protecting tree roots, and suppressing weeds. Spread a layer of mulch 5 to 10 centimeters thick around your tree, ensuring to leave a space right up against the tree trunk to prevent rot and disease. Remember, too much mulch around your tree trunk can cause fungal issues when it's piled against the base. We want stems in the air and roots on the ground. Your tree should show a root flare at the base, instead of looking like a telephone pole that's straight from the bottom. When planting under trees, you've got to be careful not to damage the tree's roots. Begin by digging a hole as deep as the root ball of your new plant and at least twice as wide. Position the new plant in the hole, ensuring that the top of the root ball is level with the ground surface or the top of the mulch. Backfill the hole, add some compost if you'd like, and water thoroughly. Common mistakes when planting around trees include planting too close to the tree trunk, planting incompatible plants, and neglecting ongoing care. Planting too close to the tree trunk can cause damage to the tree's roots, while incompatible plants can struggle to thrive due to differing water, light, and soil needs. Regular care is necessary for the health and the beauty of your garden. Another common mistake when landscaping around trees is failing to separate grass from around the tree trunk. This makes it easy to inadvertently damage the tree trunk with a whippersnipper or a brush cutter. Damaging the bark, especially ring barking, can seriously harm your tree because it disrupts its ability to transport nutrients. Successfully landscaping around trees requires careful planning and execution. While it may seem challenging, remember to enjoy the process and look forward to enjoying a beautiful landscaped area under and around your trees.